we give you thanks and praise. For your love never fails. Your love endures forever. It's wonderful and great.
I will give thanks for all that you've done. For all that you've done, Father, when you gave us your only Son. He went to the cross, he bled there and died. For all of our sins, he was crucified. Oh, Jesus, the sweetest name I know. Jesus, how I love him so. Oh, Jesus, the sweetest name I know. Jesus, how I love him so. They laid him in a tomb, and he was shut in. And all this time, the enemy thought he had won. But on the third day, he arose from the grave victoriously into new life. Oh, Jesus, the sweetest name I know. Jesus, how I love him so. Oh, Jesus, the sweetest name I know. Jesus, how I love him so.
Your love keeps bubbling for me.